Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. In today's tutorial, we will going to learn how to make this super easy and beautiful sling bag, and I have used all my scrap yarns to make this, and the cord is also super easy to make and it looks pretty on this sling bag. This button I will be making with basic circle of cotton filling, and this is the tassel I've added. So let's go ahead and make this sling bag. For this project, I have taken scrap yarn of a few colors, which is white, rose pink, yellow, orange, and a crochet hook of size 1.75 mm. So let's start. Let's start by making a magic ring, and lock it with chain 1, and then 8 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And lock this like this, and a slip stitch on the very first single crochet here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a small chain up, fasten my thread here. So here I've fastened my yellow thread. I've completed a ring of 8 single crochet. Now I'll start with my petals of white color. For that, chain 3 up, 1, 2 and 3, and one more double. This will count as one double crochet and one more double crochet in the same chain space like this, and one more double crochet which I will not complete. I'll make 3 double crochet clusters like this, then chain of 2. In the next stitch, again 3 double crochet cluster, 1, 2 and 3, pulling yarn through all the loops like this, chain of 2, 3 double crochet cluster in the next chain stitch, 1, 2 and 3, 4 loops on my hook, pulling yarn through all the 4 loops and completing my petal. So likewise, with the gap of chain 2, I will make all the petals of chain 3 double crochet cluster in each chain stitch around. I'll see you at the end of this. I'm completing this round with chain 2, 1 and 2, and a slip stitch on the top of this first petal here. Now I will grab my third color, orange color, and now we will work in chain 2 spaces here, here. Like we have made 3 double crochet cluster once in every stitch. In the chain 2 gap, we will make 2 clusters with the gap of chain 2 every time. Two clusters of 3 double crochet. So 1, 2 and 3. This would be our 1 double crochet. This would count as 1 double crochet. To make a cluster, I'll make 2 more half double crochets. Half double crochets in the sense I will not complete these double crochets. So this is my first cluster, chain 2, and in the same chain space I'll make 1 more 3 double crochet cluster. So this is 1, 2 and 3. So 2, 3 double crochet cluster in each chain 2 space, and every time when you're changing chain 2 space you have to make chain 2 like this. Again 1, 2 and 3, completing my cluster, chain 2, in the same chain 2 space, one more cluster, 1, 2 and 3, chain 2. So every time you have to make chain 2 clusters of 3 double crochet in each chain 2 spaces with a gap of chain 2. I'll see you after this. So here I have completed this round and I'm going to make a slip stitch on the top of first cluster like this, and I'll cut my yarn. I'll hide these tails afterwards. So far we have completed this part, this flower. Now we will start with the heart pattern. Here, this pattern. For that I'll grab my another color, which is this color. So guys, this is basically a very easy, super easy pattern. I'll start with this gap. So here in between two clusters which we have made together in one, in chain 2 spaces, we'll start from there, and here I'll start by making chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. This would count as one double crochet, and I'll make 4 more double crochets here, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So altogether I have to make 5 double crochet. In the next chain space, here I'll make after making chain 1, I'll make 1 single crochet here, chain 1 again, and in this gap again, in the next gap, I'll make 5 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again, chain 1, single crochet in the next chain gap, chain 1 and 5 double crochet here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 1, single crochet in the next one, chain 1 and 5 double crochet. So we have to follow this sequence all around. I'll see you at the end of the round. Okay, so I've completed this round and I'm going to make my final slip stitch on the third chain stitch which we have made at the start, which we counted as one double crochet here. Now in the next round what we will do is we will make 2 double crochet at the start and 2 double crochet at the end of every petal. So instead of 5 we will make 7 double crochets. So we'll start with chain 3, which will count as 1 double crochet. In the same chain stitch make 1 more double crochet, so 2 double crochet. Now in the next 3 we will make 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, and in the last one we will make 2 double crochets, so total 7 double crochets. Chain 1. Again in the next petal, start on the first double crochet, make 2 double crochets, 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, and in the last one 6 and 7 together. Chain 1. So likewise I'll complete this round, and in the next round again I'll make the similar pattern. Instead of 7 double crochets, I'm going to make 9 double crochets. At the first double crochet I'll make 2 double crochet, and on the last double crochet of the petal I'll make 2 double crochet. So total 9 double crochets with a gap of 1 double crochets. Each time I'm going to make the chain 1 gap between the petals. So I'll complete this round and next round, and I'll see you then. So my 2 rounds are completed. I've completed this round with 9 double crochets in each of the petal, and I'm going to finish it with a slip stitch on the third chain stitch which we have made at the start as one double crochet. Like this. Now what we will do is, now we will give it a shape of a heart. From here on, please watch this video carefully. So we have done slip stitch here, so we will leave this stitch and the next stitch, and in the third double crochet, in the third stitch, we will make 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we will leave this next chain stitch or next double crochet. In the next one, I'll make 1 single crochet. Again, leaving the next one, in the next one, I'll make 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we are left with 2 double crochets here. We will leave this, and in between this one chain which we have made, we will make a single crochet like this. So our first heart is completed. Likewise, I'll do all the rest of the 7 hearts. I'll show you one more time, leaving first 2 double crochet of the next petal. In the third one, I'll make 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Leaving the next one, in the next, I'll make 1 single crochet. Leaving the next, in the next, I'll make 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Leaving the next 2, in this middle one, I'll make 1 single crochet. So likewise, I'll complete all rest of the 6 hearts and I'll see you then. Okay, so here I've completed this, and I'm gonna make my final slip stitch into the first double crochet which we have made here at the start of the first petal, like this. I'm gonna fasten this yarn. So after this center part of my bag's first part here, we have completed this part here, and now what we will going to do is we will start giving it a shape of a square. So now we will start with the double crochet stitches here on this part. With my white color, I'll wrap the yarn of white color, and so here we have 16 petals altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So we will start with the corners, and we will make corners after every 4th petal. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will start very first with the very first corner so that it would be easy for us to remember. Let's start by making a chain of 3. 1, 2 and 3, which will count as 1 double crochet, and chain 2 as chain 2 gap, and 1 more double crochet in the same chain stitch for the corner, like this. Now in each stitch around we will make 1 double crochet, starting with the very first stitch here, 1, like this. Every stitch around we will make 1 double crochet till we complete 4 petals, like this. 1 double crochet in each stitches till we reach our next corner. This is how you have to make. Even in the single crochet which we have made in between, we have to make one double crochet on the top of it. So far we have completed 2 petals and we have started with the third one. So this is how it will look like this. Okay, so now we have reached our next corner after completing 4 petals, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In the single crochet here in this corner, I'll make 1 double crochet, 2 chains and 1 double crochet like this. And likewise I'll complete 4 petals and make 1 corner, 4 petals, make 1 corner and 4 petals, and we have already made this first corner, so we'll directly slip stitch. And in this next round again I will follow the same pattern. I will make 1 double crochet on each double crochet, and in the corner I'll make 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochets like I have made here. See, in the first round I have made 1 double crochet, 2 chain, 1 double crochet. In the next round I'll make 2 double crochets, 2 chain and 2 double crochets. So I'll complete this round and next round and I'll see you then. Alright, so here I've completed my 2 rounds, and now what we will going to do is we will start with this pattern of 3 double crochet in each stitch, leaving 2 stitch in between. So here I will start with 3 chains up, which is 1 double crochet. I'll make 2 more double crochet in the same stitch, 1 and 2, so total 3 double crochets. Now I'll skip 1 and 2 stitches, and in between here I'll make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, 2 chains and 2 double crochets in the same chain space. So this would be the corner. Again I'll skip 2 stitches here, and in the third stitch I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll not make any chain gap in between. 3 double crochet, skipping 2 chains or 2 double crochet from the bottom row. I'll make 3 double crochet, again skipping 2, 3 double crochets. So likewise I'll complete this round, and after this I'll make 3 more rounds of 3 different colors, yellow, orange and rose pink color like this. I'll keep doing this, and in every corner I'll make 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochets like this. So I'll see you at the end of the 4th round, and just remember one thing, that on the 4 sides you will, though this have a pot curvy pattern, but on every side you should have equal number of 3 double crochets pattern. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 this side and 14. So always you should have 14 patterns on each side, this since this is a square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Likewise you have to complete this pattern, and I'll see you at the end of these 1, 2, 3 and 4th round, and then I'll tell you what we have to do next. So here I have completed this round 1, 2, 3 and 4 round of this pattern, and almost our other part is also finished like this, and we will do a final round of 1 single crochet in each stitch around, and in the corner I'll make only 1 single crochet here instead of making 2 single crochets, because we have taken 2 chains. Not necessarily that we should make 2 single crochets, we'll just make 1 single crochet so that it would give a proper shape. So I'll complete this round and I'll see you after then. Okay, so in this round, what we will going to do is we will keep the wrong side inside like this, and we will stitch one. We will make one single crochet on the three sides, starting from any side. You can keep it open like this, and you have to stitch three sides like this all over, like this. Yes, good. So starting from the corner to corner, we will stitch it like this from here, and we will complete all the corners by making only one single crochet in each stitch by taking both the sides together like this. So I'll complete this and I'll see you then. Or if you want to give somewhat a different look, so what you can do is one chain, one slip stitch, one chain, one slip stitch, to give it a bit of curvy pattern. Or you can directly give only slip stitch all around, or as I told you earlier, you can make single crochet in each of the stitches. So you can try any if you want to give it a nicer finishing touch. So I'm trying this one single crochet, sorry, one chain, one slip stitch, to give it a curvy look. Let's see how it comes. I'll see you after the end of this round. Okay, so here I have completed stitching the three parts, three sides of this, and we like this. Now let's make the cord. I'll make a very simple cord by making one and two chain, sorry, three chain. In the first chain, make two double crochets, one and two. This would be three double crochets, chain two, and three double crochets in the same chain space, one, two, and three. Turn your work, make a slip stitch and reach through the chain two space, slip stitch and reach through the chain two space. Here again chain three, which will count as one double crochet, then two more double crochets, which will be three double crochets, chain two, and three double crochets, one and two and three. And likewise, I'll keep making this cord as long as I want, or you can make it as long as you want, and I'll see you after this. So here I have completed my bag, and I've also added this tassel on the side. This is the cord that we were making earlier. This is, I've made this puff button here with cotton filling inside it. So it's like this. I hope you like this tutorial. So please go ahead and try making this super easy and beautiful sling bag with your scrap yarns, and do let me know in the comment how you like it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep liking, sharing, and subscribing my channel. Thank you.